Got a GE refrigerator today. Said the bottom's not cooling very well, and a loud noise coming from the freezer. Oh yeah, it's icing up. See if we can get the board to shut the fan off and go into defrost mode. 1, 2, 3. Close the door. That should shut that off. Nope, gotta reset the board. How I do that is I just unplug the refrigerator. Alright, we'll pull all this stuff out and then we can work. And 90% of the time these will be blocked with fry bags, steaks, burgers. These are the lungs. If this don't breathe, it'll freeze up. But sometimes it's the board too. I heard GE got a class action suit against them about these boards and these things. Bunch of lemons. And I give it a 3-strike minimum. If I come up on it this third time, I'll replace the board, but I haven't been to this one. Get your screws out under here. I'm gonna whistle my esters today. I feel like whistling my esters. Get your screws right here. Okay, see that ice right there? That's the noise they're hearing. Whoa, that's pretty bad. Whew. I'm gonna put the shop vac over that hose. And guys, I've used everything. I've used heat guns. Everybody has all these ideas. It's still messy, guys, no matter what you use. Just use what you like. I like using the shop vac and using the hot water from the sink. All that ice water has to go somewhere. It's messy no matter what you use, so I just use the sprayer on the sink. And this will catch the water that comes down. All right, get the water hot. The reason why the bottom's not cooling is because it's blocked with ice. Anytime this gets blocked with ice, the bottom won't cool. So that's the first thing I check when I get that work order. This is the fastest way I've found, guys. I've used everything and it's a mess no matter what you use. All that ice has to go somewhere. Okay, fire in the hole, baby. Where the water goes, you hear it sucking. Alright, we're good, Skid. Alright, that took all of 3 or 4 minutes. That is the fastest way that I've found to do these things. I've been doing them for about 4 years like this and never had any issues. So that's the way I've kept doing it. I'm sure old Safety Bob will stop by and find some issues though. There's always going to be some pessimists out there. Look out the window, they don't see the sunset. They're counting the spots on the window. Always going to be the pessimist. Find fault and he's delighted when he finds it, which is weird. Fire in the hole. Alrighty. That's pretty much it. We're thawed out and cleaned up. Takes about 5 minutes. I'll show you the board trick now that I've got everything thawed out. Put the back on. And plug it in and make sure the board's good. See the fan spinning. It's a little trick with these GE refrigerators. Find the light button right there. 1, 2, 3. Close the door. Fan should shut off. There it is. The compressor and the fan shut off. That's how I know the board's good. If it didn't do that, I'd replace it. Like I was saying earlier, they got a class action suit about these boards. I don't know what makes them do that. I think it's when the power goes out. So we can get it to come back on. 1, 2, 3. Bada boom, bada bing. I think it's when the power goes out. That's my hypothesis anyway. Power goes out and messes up the boards, and you gotta reset them. But this is the first strike. I give it 1 or 2 more, then I'll replace the board. I haven't been here, so I'm gonna give it 1. It's not really hard to replace the board. It's pretty much plug and go. It's on the bottom here at the top. In the refrigerator part, not the freezer part. Right where the light bulbs go. Boy, I've cussed many of these things out. Oh, you want to fight? I'll fight you. You want to go? Back cover back on so I don't get all dirty. Alright, everything's back together. Nice and quiet. And I mean, that took all of 5 minutes. I mean, I've tried the heat gun. It takes too long. I mean, it's 30-45 minutes with a heat gun. And it's just as messy because all that ice water melts and still has to go somewhere. So I just use the sprayer. That's the best way I know. Best way I've found. I'm a little tired today. I was playing Fortnite last night pretty late. Alright, thank y'all for watching the Dirty Maintenance Show. That's just the way it's got to be. Well, the concrete